Hey everybody, this is Eric from backonstageapp.com. If you're a musician who is trying to join the fun of making music videos online, stick around because today I'm going to show you the cheapest and easiest way to get your band started on social distance videos. Before we begin, I'll be uploading more tutorial videos like this in the future. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to see more. We're in the middle of the pandemic. You're trapped at home. You can't rehearse or perform with your band. So what are you gonna do? Let's make music videos. Now this is gonna be a very fun way to keep your music going despite the physical limitations. This tutorial is for musicians who are recording videos for their band leaders. If you're a band leader who's putting together a video for your band, I'll show you how to create a reference track and to put together all the videos in the next tutorial. First of all, there are so many ways to do this. You could literally spend thousands of dollars on expensive sound and camera equipment and still wouldn't be enough. Or I can show you how to do a very good job with the equipment you already have. All you need are these three things: a reference track, a laptop, and a pair of headphones. Let's get started. If you have a laptop ready to go ahead and plug your headphone into it, and then load up the reference track on your media player. Now open up the Zoom app. I like the Zoom app because everybody's got a Zoom on their computer nowadays. When you're in Zoom, make sure you turn on the video and unmute yourself. When you're ready, press the record button in Zoom, then switch to your media player and press play. Now, it's action time, baby. Put the game face on and make it look and sound real good. Now, because you're wearing headphones, Zoom is not going to pick up any of the reference track. So it's very important that you count in nice and loud along with the reference track when you record. This is going to help the video guys sync up all the videos at the editing stage. If you want to see how I make my reference track for my musicians, I'll make sure I include the link to the tutorial at the very bottom of this video. Once again, the order is headphones, Zoom, and then reference track. Now let me show you how I would do this from beginning to the end. So I come into Zoom, quickly unmute myself and start my video. You can see me now with my instrument. And then make sure the original sound is turned on. And then press record. Now I am recording already, so let's go to my reference track and just gonna press play. And you're gonna hear that count in just a little bit. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. When you finish recording, just end the meeting and Zoom is gonna save your file right away. Now let's take some time to talk about where we're gonna place ourselves on the screen to make you look as good as possible. Now this shot is a little too close because we're cutting off our head and body and we're only seeing our instrument. This shot, on the other hand, we're a little too far and we seem really small on the screen. If you're gonna record standing up, make sure you don't cut off your head. Now this shot is just about right. You get a good shot of your head, a good view of your body, and your instrument fits on the screen. Alright, let's head back. Now if you want to use your phone to record instead, all you have to do is to use your camera app on the phone to record and the laptop to play the reference track. You still plug in the headphones to the laptop because, well, that's where the reference track is being played, but your video is going to come from your phone. That's it. Simple, isn't it? When you finish recording, simply send this clip to the video guy for editing. Now, there are a couple of things you need to be aware of. 1. Sound level. Depending on the instrument you're playing, you may need to adjust the mic volume for the recording. To do that, simply head into Zoom's audio setting and make sure your volume bar doesn't go all the way up when you play. Go ahead and play a couple of loud notes just to make sure. 2. Audio and video setting. If you want a better quality audio and video, then you would need to switch the following options on. Now don't worry, I'll include all of them at the bottom of this video. First off, we're going to go into the preference and audio settings and check off the auto adjust mic volume. And then go down where it says show in meeting options to enable original sound, check it, and then make sure the high fidelity music mode is on. Okay, next page, video. Now, where it says HD, go ahead and give it a check. And scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says advanced, click it. And check the box where it says optimize video quality with denoise. Okay, into recording. Now over here where it says optimize for third-party video editor, make sure you check it. And now we're ready. So when you're recording, on the top left where it says turn on original sound, make sure you turn it on. Number 3, lighting. It's super important that we work with good lightings here. Let me show you the difference between good lighting and bad lighting. This is good lighting. This is bad lighting. This is good lighting. This is bad lighting. This is good lighting! Okay, so now the question is, can I make this look and sound any better than this? The answer is yes. Remember in the beginning of this video, I said this is the cheapest and easiest way to put together an online recording. You can of course get better camera and better studio lighting and better mixer and a better microphone to do this. But it gets very expensive very quickly. If you want to upgrade your gear, let me include a list of my equipment down at the very bottom. Well, that's it for this video. Do you find this tutorial helpful? Please click the like and subscribe button to see more videos like this. We're gonna take your music business to the next level. Let's get out of the office and get back on stage.